Hello everyone, this is Morgan from Zhejiang Shanghai International Sales Department, and today I want to introduce some hot standing items in summer days. And first we can see there is a 7 pieces dining set. We can see the whole style is very simple and the color is very suited for the summer days. We can see there is the armchair and the dining chair with a very soft fabric cushion. And we can see the fabric is very soft. It's a breathable fabric, and it also has the waterproof function. We can get close to see the function. Yeah, we can see the water will be quick dry in the fabric, so we don't need to worry about using it in the outdoor. And because we are now in the summer days, so we can take out the cushion and just sit down on the textile fabric. It will be also comfortable. So if you are interested about us, and you can leave your message, and don't forget to give us a like below this video. I will see you soon. Bye.